his official platform. That means it's somebody on the social media doing that. But he has even made a statement that they are trying to bring out the official video of the Papa.
Yes.
Papa, where they are, yes. Because I didn't get a chance. I said, Papa, no, Papa, which means Papa, no, what did I see the way I don't know the meaning court school, I assume, because they've rushed.
Me mamo akwa shronko eba 2 batch GH. Midi adenana ama uzo na edusa everywhere. Trending info I na me from mu na medi ebesomunity jibre niti emunsem. Ne busa for maka very massive ni abrante no born you sent no I G to say Ghana hanya boss we biem to sabo awon money ate say enkofo bi krade e campaign ho ban sempi no Abrante ya saba ponti di move for abana mo aka se munim de so e ba na social media trends ye papa no saga no eno and abrante no afa e dey ato the latest ye release no so and what they abodum na no na nkofo so afefa anyum no mo dey te se go amount for pictures papa no mo for no pictures bi atage enyum a wo mo di atene e wo ye social media na we na abrante very massive ni wa sheda ba ponta betrim say ebe ya nke wo mo yes na wo nya say yes say adai die akoye emrasem yesu no say enyum no wo boy no wo de church enyama bi ase atese enyama no enheda enim sa na say entipisa no nti very massive ni abekasa na ebuza for yenkote ni nsem na wo de etuda no na ba me de ka ho no ebesum
I understand that it's not certain in the sense of like in they are harming me, but a lawsuit.
Lawsuit say why you den what for be yiri
one Halifax they can make sure with you for you na omo studio on your tell na but assuming you understand you see you really see new way no amount for after 35 most of you looking ya yambo bi again I mean some are I'm fear about you know we are all talking about you're all trying to even if you are papa we don't know so you not mention a particular name but then over share I'm not for francophobic pictures no the way picture boom no the name not twice here you know an echo now the funny thing is that those are more threatening away the things that me and I say and I'm a far images no na me there I mean, you know, I'm not saying somebody has taken my old video, don't call me video. And now, that don't call me video, I'm former president, you know, make your kasa anyway. I'm a friend, no, and only maybe a frafra. And if you can't put me in shame, so I'm imagining that, will be on no entertainment, you know, what because I'm part, men I'm a which I'm not sure very massively present way, and I, you know, on my year, just I'll be so come off our TikTok or something, I'm TikTok or I'm cover that. Yeah, I mean, you see, the American said, I don't, people are using it to do their own video. Obi Timichon, it's nice. But how far will be images? Now, what they mean, you to a chair. I'm going to make a movie. So I'm saying this on your program. So I'm not aware. I don't know. Can be to me official page if maybe releasing a video for this. First, place about what my official page. And then she release it.
Into see no part say. Until Patrick say nyum where ever social media so mo bo no mo di mampenin dada picture any Tracy Boachi picture atoso no enya wo na wo ye
yes Mrs. Supi that minim ho she crack because bra me share the lessons I remember when I did the Don't Call Me video na me use ratana or mampenin not so you know nyama me come behind the scenes if it wasn't and you can come after that time, I can't remember the film not and yet it's a lesson. Yeah, I mean using like pictures of uncle the painful able to do some of this thing. You see, I don't know anything about picture BR or BD images or so many video. Yeah,
okay, FM wants you.
I mean yes, yeah, video always like a real one. Yeah, the animated one. We hopefully to release them next week.
Nah,
I'm not aware.
Okay, yes. Now, Berima, 3-4 months to election. I'm releasing you about Papa Nui Papa Bain.
Well, if I say Papa in the union, I hear.
Na unnim papa krono.
Debbie, Yamo Yena, Nikikan, Yamo Yedi, Papa Nakasapa, the Papa Kono, but the Nene and Yamo Yana to say, that of course I don't know the
Na unnim papa noa, we den who say on yawa, Sebi Oberio.
Because Niama, Oya no dear, Yate, Yama Oya, but Onakasapa, the
Papa we oye ama your semini.
Right. Maybe I didn't know the word true. True. But you see, so you know where I got this inspiration from was when I think it was from that lady, Honey Gloria. Yes, that's it. I mean, we always have the third year. Also, only a bon coma, we just say common on a bonana, but sometimes we can be no strike you. Yeah, I mean, and I keep saying to me, normally most of my songs, most of the things you do know, you pick it from the society. Now you're packaging it and you address society. Yeah, I mean, and I would say big up to that girl, Kani Gloria, for using that papa. She was stressing on it, but I think not jump on because said, it could be something way. Yeah, I mean, so I give credit to her for, bringing us such a way, same as at that time on phone, and also I'll say, engineer, organ, I mean, where you're saying. One guy, it's been a while in the age, but this particular one, we did that short time, Halifax say, and it's easy to record a song at one year night. The same time, now program beat, I was writing my lyrics the same time. We read the same time, I was like, from next day, like one night. Yeah, I mean, so the following Friday was out there. Yeah, I mean, then I'll say big up to a year or 10. Yeah, I mean.
Answer Namaja will crack, sir, won't call and see what is the way wedding with lawyer for Kasa. I mean, this threats coming in some new cockles. Know how are you handling it?
Yes, thank you very much. And as very soon, you show some Sabaka press statement from a management team because we are releasing a statement to distance ourselves from that image is now almost using because to tell the truth, I mean, any fair, sir, bold be now if you must fafa. A month will be pictures a day, yes, I did. I mean, so. Me, I'm not part of this name and we are releasing a press statement too.
Ebusia form sign so el mamo aqua bashroom when I mean guest Mr. Richardson ewahane ebetwe nkomo e de afa ensem no ehun na anso no ebiomo so no berima Sydney the management the press release about bontia wo de ebe address yesu na yesu no na bi so for ma menken press release no emfa mama say press release from management of the Squaddy Entertainment. Our attention has been drawn to some videos circulating, especially on social media, using Berima Sydney's latest song titled Papano and attached the song to images not sanctioned by us. The images attached to the audio version of the song and the assumptions made with their own concepts using images of individuals, including prominent people in our society, are totally those of the actors and do not in any way reflect the official policy or position of management. Management takes a strong exception to the work of such detractors and absolutely distance itself from it. This release is to let the world know that the intent of the song has been tweaked to satisfy the ambition of a few or for mischievous purposes, which we find very unfortunate. The aforementioned song is purely based on creativity, and its sole purpose is to add up to the entertainment and fun Ghanaians have been missing and yearning for in the midst of this pandemic. However, the official music video for Papano will be released soon, signed by Frank Owusu Esiama, in charge of media. Letter and very massive in the management actually better upon tell more they just say and no Papano no it is a stress relief cake. One day great amount for pandemic coronavirus by and simply naman so amount of fire stress into one day. One day back for stress release in it will be unfun in any other way. No people are so better images of a for a chichu Ghana no de be kan wo say ono so de ye no de ono be ma Sydney ono ne ma de bet omo nim hwe fa wonti ye yi wo mudi enfri sa ensem no ehun nebuta for ante de be kon enkomotwetwe ni pese men kan mo say edwuma ko so ya say e ma de edwuma de ebremo Mama Juliet Ventures there kitchen appliances papa brands are agidin ache as a okra we use to cry fepe now we use to as a problem there about there na Mama Juliet honoman and we be call aquatic kitchen appliances na bi so no dem asese o ton won enyama nti fa na number no so and as a penetra kwan e wo Abekala Pass ni roofing so as we are saying ni roofing ebo dan so say was we see with the na person on boss so na say ending na say e ma problem bia afebo na ye ni roofing be this adwuma no e dey ama ni ti fa mo contact no e wo ase na say promoter kwan na wo mo endi uniting ye unit roofing in ho adwuma en fa ema Winners Aluminium Limited wo office wo fie and glass louvers any slide doors ni windows na aba so no na aba fa akofo doctor a wo mo de assist yo mo fie any mo offices no nti person wo teacher office mu and say wo fie o person sa glass louvers any slide doors ni bi emra ha na ye Winners Aluminium Limited and be sa ejuma no e dem on form number no na from na say promoter kwan wala pass mu no mo jima e fa emma wo Mr. Richardson we no akwa Mr. Richardson bia boko everybody ask Mr. Richardson we dey share same free see no say very much Sydney wa born no papa no we know say before even the start Accra Tracy Boachi and Miss Boss at Accra na asem term wo twikasem patche say obi a certain man so obi chiro bi kwa wo papa ni fie term a you to that and nti so no ehun say the term no they say aye height our system know what they are born no to release stressor is it worth being sued?
You can't share too much for
okay
share me CEO about cross fashion sue yenya bema city no it's laughable
yes
and I wait and I don't know the kind of court sending a lawsuit no yo ina boss squadia is in the squad ni tell no squadia boss squadia is very much Sydney ye wo kroma na yenya Sydney 2016 there were in Nigeria elections omo use ni nyom wona money e omo use ni the campaign omo win here no one man hwe o si omo so Sydney is smart enough to know what to do which as here we are seeing based on what based on papa no and as based on
papa no believe in the song
yeah no omo kasa dey no omo ni engineer so how court scoring engineer so which as here I think say video be circulate omo boy no omo di twetwen ma bia shem if you dey we so na me jina ka say social media we need to regulate it so we need to regulate it we acquire the social media there share Sydney no me smart to the extent say he won't admit it what about ability okay for about admit say papa no boy and he's an entertainer he won't deny he's an entertainer they're always available when they hear anything trending they use it for entertainment in what he has defended himself but he has withdrew say any such video be on here because our official platform or anything opposing him and that video they are trying to see him on it's not coming from his official platform. That means it's somebody on the social media doing that. But he has even made a statement they are trying to bring out the official video of the Papa no.
Yes.
Papa no. Boya there, we honum.
Yes.
Because I didn't be a chair and say I told Papa no, no mind Papa no, which means Papa no. I ordered that. And see the way I don't know the meaning court school I assume because they've rushed and Sydney will defend himself perfectly because he has been through this with the Nigerians before when they use his track. So he knows about all these things. You understand? They've come out with a press statement say, yes, they are using Papano for a song, but the videos and everything is not them. They've rejected it and denied it. So whoever is using it doesn't carry weight.
Let's come on that. Say the person suing Sydney because before it will get to the court, somebody must come out and say no. So if they even sue him, it will be on the count of defamation or maybe stolen concept and our content theft.
Exactly. So
this Papano is the term we already use. So nobody can lay claim on it. So let's just brush off content theft. Then now let's look at defamation. Who is he defaming with the Papa no song?
Exactly.
For him to be taken to court.
Yeah, but see the interview, no. I
Okay.
say, and I'm okay from what you say. I say, now why Papa no? I say, oh Papa no, you know I take, but you need Papa.
Yeah.
What you say? So Sydney no so if they want to take this matter, and the lawyer also waiting now because you are trying to defamate his client. So
Okay, Sydney can even tell it again.
you can do that exactly. Okay. What man you do? What man is you've wasted his time. One man is you already you know. You are being taken to court. You are being summoned at the court for the video you've done. What video has he done? If you go to his official platform, he hasn't done video yet. The statement they made today, they said they are about to do official video of the song or to launch the song.
Okay.
But he has accepted, say yes, Papa, it's a training issue and he's a detainer. So he's doing what he's using the name. Kuma will fuck up every video and say Papa. What you say? And whoever is using, you know, while rush or some common we see you can also turn this around and say, oh, you've wasted my time. Or say, until you also have to pay damages. And also,
okay, now we don't know who is suing Sydney.
Yeah.
But we know for a fact that it's somebody who doesn't like what Sydney is doing or the song that Sydney has brought out. So for such a person, what does all this say about him or her?
He should have gone his facts right before taking to the lawsuit. We really understand, or he even says there are certain threats coming to him from some NDC personalities. We call websites now one of them. There are threats coming now from the NDC personality to Sydney.
Why threaten him?
Exactly. And Nipa knows, you know, so Nipa knows to me fan he didn't buy it. But I think since it's in the law court, maybe they will give us the details. But for now, they have no grounds to sue Sydney on any grounds at all. You are suing for what? Papa, no, everybody say Papa, no. Or chess or no Papa, no, or more interview, no, besides, and why Papa, no, so, or no company, Papa, no, Papa, no, no, nobody, a CDSM. Into the Papa, why rush it, because you can't see somebody based on anything. Social media is not being regulated. Anybody can do bad and then push it on somebody. But the good aspect of the defense is Sydney made a statement say everything he does on social media, he has an official page that he places in there. So this one is not say and I pay culture the emission because no case of video be any more about what you try personality video she want to call the emission no. But well, it's not on his official page. So you can't see him. You can't see him.
So if I understand something, if I've made a song or if I've created a content,
Exactly.
then somebody else take over my content and like uses it for his or her own purpose.
Yeah.
I am not connected anymore because now it's on the person's page,
Yeah.
so it's on the person's problem.
Yeah.
I'm no longer connected.
No. You can't decide. It's not like you can't control with Tracy, but you almost started Papa no. Tracy can you almost start Papa no because it's a trending word.
Yes.
And people are using it, and the senior has also grabbed and used it, and he's defending himself because he's an entertainer, and they use such words to make people happy. That is it. That's what I'm expecting the celebrities to be doing. Who is a celebrity? It will be he's able to entertain people, and people will celebrate him. And then I was very sad. I'm sorry, you know. Celebrities, did you want one time? You said, "Yeah, man, I'm on your sister. Did you want one time? Are you? Which kind of celebrity are you? Or they forgot who they are. You are a celebrity, somebody who is celebrated by the public based upon what you bring out. And you either bring out entertainment or music. And by that, celebrities won't normally do one time. And honestly, this one I was sad. I think some ladies who move based in UK, whether gospel music or something, and they are attending their bus. I mean, celebrities, you are not supposed to do this. We are begging people. You should rather be a role model and people learn from you. More camera, could be the demand. Like I said, no, because they are taking models from you, and if you do the bad thing, they will bash you. It's wrong. With all due respect, they should rather know what to do when you go on the social media, because social media, I say, I have four, and their video, I tell you, in India, less than 10 seconds, you to me the 1 minute, 1 CD credits, echo defame will be social media. No, they should respect themselves, because things will turn, and the youth will rather start insulting the so-called celebrity. They are, you can bear witness. There was celebrities they are still on the low, and they are doing with much respect. So why all these things? They should respect them. So we beg them.
Okay, so finally, before we get up on this issue, I want to know those people using very much Sydney song Papa No
Exactly.
on their pages with pictures of known people, like big people in this country, can they be sued?
They can be sued if you know them. You know, we
also some of them use their faces, some of them do videos with their faces, their presence and their picture and the song too. Can they be sued by the Papano who sued Sydney?
Yeah, Papano says one Papano.
Okay, we don't know who the Papano is. But you know, let's be factual here. We don't know who the Papano is. We are not naming anybody as the Papano, but people are using pictures of politicians, yes, people that we know, that everybody knows,
exactly,
as image for their videos, as the Papano, the image of the Papano for their videos, even with Sydney's song. So I want to know that the same person who sued Sydney, can he go ahead or she go ahead to sue those people using them on their Instagram pages, their social media pages? Can they sue those people? Because they are taking a song from somewhere and they are doing their own thing with it. Can they be sued? They
can be sued if only we find out it's them. Because, for example, whoever is doing the video, your corner account, because it's a fake account. It's so-called bloggers, and that's what they do.
Oh, okay.
Bloggers, just to trend with tarnishing somebody's image to trend.
Okay.
Which I say, if social media was regulated, I would just find out say, oh, as me see na you say no to yen den adam Mahama picture about one CD himself class of no support me see nipa no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on support me see but say be on so nipa ne music is trending, so I doubt so be see nipa no dey bia say you Mahama no mudin na dey picture cut one and crop and lawyers e be ka say hey bloggers me see one why side dey didn't know yes and say there. That is it.
Okay, so your final words, my
final word is yes, celebrities, no, yes, Sherman, and I'll pay me sorry, no, many because it's not me who and Mammy Penny, you know, like I can't use those words on this platform, but Mammy Penny for their sisters, no more did attempt rough, and they are so called gospel musicians and all those things. You are celebrities. Celebrities is somebody who is celebrated in the public, but we don't know whether we are celebrating people or we are insulting people. So, with all due respect, more calm down. It's all self-control. Control yourself. We can't do what we channel no. Faber Kanyasa, Semna, Nipano Compo do whatever she should regret. You understand? Not the insult. So we beg you guys. It's about time. Do the right thing, please.
Mr. Richardson, what can you say? Hey, say it. Social media celebrities so. Youth will be added one for a movie, will be just will be a boo be an intia, will be on phobia on him. Now, I didn't want me here until but your young fast futuno, near fan to you could do maybe a motono, share video way from out or from no so much me any more about and fab. Now, who are doing trippy so for brand, never to job, and what too much at your comment session. No more dear to follow it. Oh, IG page at too much GH_. Meeting Adena Alma O's. I mean, Mr. Richardson and a name, the Dean Common. I may have my best sign 18 shilling. A cram.
50 years anything, and your friends say, mechanic. Zana Prophet Kumichacha, my sister, me YouTube, no, baby, I should be a change your floor, and I'm about too much GH. Shut na Prophet Kumichacha, Mr.